Kamano bende mine ojiw mondo mi ochukre mar kaw thuolo mag tich e sektas kod kembe mopogore ahinya to mag ohala. Kolose kinde nyasi mar dhialo odiechieng' joma mine manobagi e magawa moro bore Nairobi. Jata tije mar Blue Water Business Connect Lucy Jeffrey owacho ni joma mine nyaka koro wuog oko mar kaw lemo mag tich. Omedo ni piny owacho bende nyaka keto kenge manyalo chiwo thuolo ne mine ne lemo mag siasa mana kaka e pinje moko.
We are doing great to support women, but let's improve on that, right? I'm talking from the Canadian perspective. If you look at the government of Canada, you see so many women in the lineup, in the cabinet minister positions. So Kenya is doing great, but let's improve on that. But again, turning to women, are we positioning ourselves for it? Right? So that's why I'm saying let's work together and build that and build collaboration and show that we can actually do it. So the government of Kenya can work a little bit more to increase the number of women representation.
The companies even look for women. They may not put them at the top, but they know that if they have a support system of women, that company will thrive. Why not put them at the top and see what they can do? So that's my encouragement, that let's have more women at the top and businesses are going to thrive.
So I hope to see more women come out, more women embrace being bold and courageous and facing just everything head on, just like men do.